The world is powered by data. Want to know how to control it? At Win in Life Academy, we offer a combo course in AI, machine learning and data science built for beginners and dreamers. By 2025, AI industry is expected to cross $190 billion and trained professionals are in huge demand. Through hands-on training, you'll learn how a machine makes a decision, how data finds a pattern, and how you will be able to solve real-life problems using a code. Learn top tools like Python, Jupyter, and TensorFlow, just like professionals how they use in the industry. Work on live projects, build your portfolio, and get feedback from mentors to sharpen your skills. After the course, you will earn a certification from Win in Life Academy, something employers recognize and respect. Whether you're a student or a working professional, this course will help you break into roles like data analyst, ML engineer, or AI developer. Past learners have landed job into top tech companies, and it all started with this course. So why wait? Start learning today. Build skills that matter with the course that only delivers at Win in Life Academy.